Jason Rinker, number 50, that's Scott McClellan, and Tracy Letty in the 0-1. Gonna do a shotgun start. Driving around in the center in a circle. But count with me as we come down from 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, wait. No. Are we ready? Just wait. Are you ready, Alan? Oh, waiting for the cars to get the block in the way, get things started. Hold on.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? They can't hear you!
Count with me from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get ready to wreck some time! We're underway. Demolition Derby action. Got the big trucks out there. Got a whole room to move around too. This car number 50, Milashinsky, Scott Milashinsky. 192, the Ranker car. And 0-1, Tracy Letty. They have 90 seconds to make a hit. Those are the rules. Those are the only rules. Oh, car number 192. Ranker 0-1. Tracy Letty in the 0-1. And the 0-1 Letty tracks down the 192. Letty in the 0-1 in the second car. Just missing 192 Ranker. Looks like he's stuck to the 50 of Milashinsky. There we go. 0-1 Letty. Look out, get him, look out! Milashinsky number 50 hard in the corner from Ranker 192. Another hop shot from 192 from 0-1 Letty. Hard hit action out there. What do you think so far, people? Cheer on your favorites. Trying to line him up. Number 50, Milashinsky. Look out! Jason Rinker, Milashinsky in the 50. You got Letty in the 0-1. Putting on a great job for you guys. So much room to move around. It's a little difficult to track people down, but when they do, those hits are hard. Oh, just missed each other. Oh yeah. 0-1 Letty in the 192 of Ranker. The only two moving around still. Remember, you got 90 seconds to make a hit. If you don't make a hit in 90 seconds, you are flagged out. I don't know if 50 is still moving around. Melashinsky's been a while since we've seen him. Letty trying to track down the 192 Ranker to make a hit. Get a new clock going. Here's a hit from 192 a Ranker.
We have the 0-1, the lady car. Let's hear it for Tracy.
Tracy Letty, 0-1. It's a lady driver, just found out. Cheer on your favorite. Who's cheering on the 0-1, the lady driver, Letty? Or are you cheering on Ranker in the 192? Here we go. Hard hit coming. 192 Ranker. Jason Ranker, the 192, the only one still moving around.
Give me in that car.
Trying to get it.
Come on, girl, get it started up.
Cheer her on. See what she can do.
He says no, it's not going to start.
It's dead. Oh, little kiss. Just a little kiss. It'll light it up. Running out of clock. Is she going to get it moving? 192 Ranker, still your leader. Looks like the favorite.
There you go. You have a winner.
192, your winner. Our first Demolition Derby of the year. And a big hand for all of these drivers. Great job. Thanks a lot for coming out. Northern Lights Motorsports. We had a great time with you guys. We're going to be back again tomorrow. Much more action, much more cars. So come on down. We got a whole bunch of people that are showing up tomorrow. We got shows Saturday. We got shows Sunday. First show tomorrow at 1:30. Make sure you're here. Chances Casino. If you need somewhere to go on the way out, drop by there, grab a bite to eat. They take great care of you. Thanks for coming out, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.